everybody, it's Christine. It is time for what I believe is my very last Counterfeit Kit challenge layout for the month. And the reason I believe that is because this is all I have left, plus these little bits here. Oh, and I should say this little guy here. And so my goal is to get down to basically no little bitty baby scraps, because I have to do the final post on our blog about those scraps, and I'm going to be, I don't know, maybe this will be the video that I say, the name of the blog post is like, baby, use those scraps or something. So I'll drop that link below and you can check it out. But basically, I think I'm going to cheat just a tad. So this is what I cut off the last layout. I took a little 1/4 inch off 4 sides, and that's what I have. And I think that looks so cute. And I have this piece here with this round piece I had cut out. This is the piece I actually picked for the kit, but I think this works better as a background. So I'm cheating just a bit, like I said. I don't know. I say that. You know, we get these inspiration kits and, you know, there's B-sides. And so I might pick it for the A-side, but is it really cheating if I use the B-side? And I'm kind of debating, do I go, I really love this. For some reason, I don't know if I've ever seen anything like this. This particular design is really attracting me to use this circle as like that. And then I have, what I think I might do is this 12 by 12? Let me see. Yeah, it's 12 inches. I think I might tear the, hold on. Let me think to myself. I was going to tear this where I have that little tag bit. And see how that kind of looks. Oh, that looks so neat, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I think that looks neat. I can come over the top here. I'm kind of loving that. And this could theoretically be behind this. I'm kind of bookending it like this. Not gonna lie, I think that looks kind of cool. And then this could come over just a tad more so we see more of the music. And I kind of enjoy these vertical pieces. And then this is my photo. And I'm going to have to mount it. It's not going to be able to sit by itself without something because it's going to get lost. I'm trying to decide, do I want to put it like in here? For some reason, I kind of want it down here. And then all I have left, and I don't know if I'm going to use these or not, are these little bits. And I don't know that I want to use those. I still have this little bit, but what I could do is add it to the journaling pieces over here. Or, you know, just make the collage-y piece. Just to add a little something, but I don't know if I want to do more than one. Just to add a little something. It's going the wrong way, though. It should almost go like that. But I kind of like it like that. I don't know. We'll think about that one. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let me go off camera for just a second because I need to cut the branding strip off and then mount my little guy here. I may do a double or even a triple, double mat, I think, with like black and tan. And I also have these bits. So I'm thinking I might use the ruler, perhaps. Some kind of way on here, maybe behind. This is going to be very junk journaling, which I'm not even sad about. I do have some little tags and stuff, so let me see. Let me do my little bit of homework, and I'll be back on in just a second. Okay, everybody. I have, what have I done? I cut off the branding strip. I did double mount the photo with like a craft color cardstock and then a black cardstock. And I'm doing I've got the half music sheet on the left side, or excuse me, right side. And I'm gluing down my little strange little circle cutout thing here, and I've got those little skinny strips. Now initially I wasn't sure was I going to do it on top or underneath. I'm going to do it underneath. I let the like different lengths on purpose happen, and then I've got my left hand side over there with that little collage look. It's got like the music paper underneath. It looks like it's faux collage. Obviously it's printed on there, but it works out for me because I end up using some of that collage piece for, I guess, the title. I don't know. I've got like 2 titles and you'll see what I mean. This to me, because I think the page came from Photo Play Junk Journal, if I remember correctly, or something junk journal or something along those lines. So that's why all the collage-y stuff. And so with this little bit here, I thought, you know what? I'm going to just embrace that whole junk journal look and feel. So that's what I did. And I really like it, actually. It's a little different. Like, not something, you know, it's not something I do normally. And I say that, that's a lie. I've been playing around with junk journaling, like not on my scrapbooky stuff, but like just in a journal. And I'm really loving that. It's just very freeing because it's not like there's no rules. I mean, you just put the stuff down you think is pretty, you know, and just, you know, I try to do maybe like color things and stuff like that where I'm like, it's not random enough where either like the colors don't make sense or whatever. They tend to match, but I don't know. It's just very freeing to me. So this right here felt very similar. Like I was just gluing stuff down. I mean, where I kind of thought it went well, and I do end up making like a visual triangle with pink and stuff like that, but it just felt very junk journaling. So the title, I guess, is going to be Me and You, but then I also have that little wood veneer that says Make Memories Every Day, which I love that. And it's because basically we're just in these little outfits, y'all. So this, I did a bridal shower layout just before this one with my counterfeit kit. And this was the photo we took at the house before we left. My daughter had actually found these cute, like the theme was denim. Like all the ladies except for the bride was wearing denim or some type of denim. And which, first off, I'd never heard of that before, and I thought that was so cute. I don't know why I'd never heard of that before. I'm sure somebody's done it, but it never occurred to me to make the guests wear a theme. And everybody was wearing denim of some kind, and they were so cute. This one girl had pants on, y'all. She said she bought them, I think she got them off TikTok shop. I'm not sure. But, like, the holes had, like, a little diamond, you know, detail around the outside and stuff like that. So we were all in denim. So Brooke had found these little outfits for us. Now that right there was me looking at my scraps and going, okay, can I use any more of these things? Because y'all, I was trying to use everything. And actually I ended up making a card with just the last little bit of stuff that I have left over. So if you check out the blog post, you'll see that. I show this and then I show the card that I made. So my title up there says like Me and You, or it's kind of got cherished, Me and You or whatever. And then I still have that, like I said, Make Memories Every Day, because it's just an everyday photo. I did like these little labels on that sticker sheet there. I'm going to add some little journaling there. And then this is the other little pink that I pulled down. It says, This Makes Me Smile. I just felt like I needed pink because I had pink in the upper right, pink in the upper left. I needed to bring some pink down there just to finish out the triangle, as it were. I did put it up on foam. And then, in the upper right, I did put that little banner, little cluster, which I thought was cute off that sticker sheet. I mentioned this before. I didn't actually have that sticker sheet in my original kit. And I'm kind of sad because I didn't use that border sticker. But here's the layout at the end, you guys. I think this turned out so cute. I really love it. And I'm so excited with this counterfeit kit this month. I was the master forger, so perhaps I was a little bit biased, but I thought it was so fun to use. So I hope you guys check out the blog and check out the Facebook group. We have the challenges in there as well. And of course, you know, don't forget to like and subscribe and all the good YouTubes and say hello. I'm happy to say hello back. And we'll see you next time. Bye.